What's up, everybody? So today we are done with the demo of the first sector of this project. It took me roughly 2.5 hours to complete. So the main focus for today was to demo out the pre-existing wall. That way we can get it ready to reestablish it with new unspalted brick. Once again, the name of the brick that we're using for this project is a 12-inch split face brick sandstone. It's very hard to find sometimes. Luckily, I was able to go to the yard, to the supplier, and was able to, very fortunate to get the amount that was needed. So I'll really quick show you guys the progress of the project. So here we are. The wall is now demoed out and prepared for the next steps. So yeah, guys, that's what we've been focused on for today, for today's task. Once again, this is a retainer wall in which it needed to be restored. So that required for a demo session where it took me 2.5 hours to demo out the pre-existing areas in which it had some spalted brick. And now we're focused on the next stage in this sector, which is to reestablish the wall with the upcoming next few steps. So stay tuned, you guys. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you throughout the next few clips of the video. What's up, everybody? We are back with another video for the content on the day in the life of a civil engineer, brick and stone mason. So we are currently working on a project in which there has to be a retainer wall demoed out and reestablished with split face sandstone brick with 12 inches in length to complete bond. A little over 100 brick to establish within this area. As well as on this project, we have a chimney that has to come down, racked at 8 courses, and reestablish those 8 courses so that the remainder of the building is matched with the chimney coursing. So all in all, this is a project. It'll be a few days that we'll be on this project in regards to demoing out the areas that needs to be demoed out for call outs, as well as reestablishing those areas to meet the intricate design for the whole infrastructure. So yep, we're tuned in on that. So throughout this video, I'll be giving brief explanations on exactly what processes take place during these designs and the output of these designs. So yeah, stay tuned. And yeah, see you throughout the video. What's up, guys? So we are now in session 2 for this project, where we'll be focused on demoing out the remainder areas that requires for the pre-existing areas to be reestablished. So we're going to get straight into that, but first I want to let you guys know that the process throughout any construction site is to make sure that we keep the area clean, maintained, and that it's ready, so when we are in the process of beginning to work, that everything just move as fluent as possible. So yeah, that's where we at right now, and I catch you guys throughout the intervals of the video. Good morning, everyone. So I am on the project site, and it's an early morning, so we got an early morning start, and look who's joining the day. Yeah, for sure. Intact with the nature around me, and preparing to kick off the workday, and for sure. So I'll catch you guys later throughout the video. Look at them. Beautiful nature. What's up, guys? So we are pretty much wrapped up with the project displayed throughout the video. So really quick, I wanted to just dial in on some of the key components of when it comes to scoping out a project, the execution plan of the project, and the procedures that's taking throughout the whole process. So as you guys see, it is a process from the very beginning. When you have to walk onto site, you have to coordinate with the project owner to be able to facilitate whatever the objective is for that project, in which for this particular intended scope of work was to be able to demo out and reestablish a retainer wall that had some spalted brick due to some water damage. So water infiltration actually was the issue with this area in particular, and over time it resulted in spalted brick. So the owner called me out. I was able to give them a scope of work and coordinate well with them, and match the pre-existing structure with the limestone finish 12-inch brick. And so that wall is now established to the owner's liking. He was really profound with it. And so anytime that I'm able to complete the objective in which the owner likes the project, it's all good for the most part. So we have that intact. Really quick, from the previous video that was recorded, we were reflecting a little bit on exactly what happens when you go on to throughout the process of attending site walks with general contractors and other general trades you have to correlate with. You have to scope out the work. So in regards to that takes having a set of eyes on a project and what's the intended scope for the square footage, returning walls, load bearing walls, etc. So throughout this video, and that's coming up next within this sequel, I'll show you guys a project that I attended a site walk on. It's roughly 4,000 square feet, a little over 4,000 square feet. And yeah, I attended the site walk with the general contractor and other general trades, just been able to, rough draft and get a glimpse of what's the next objective to complete. So I'll include that throughout this video, which will be coming up shortly, and I'll just show you guys what's the process and how to get a set of eyes on a project when it comes to attending the site walk.
Yeah, I want to say there's some kind of outdoor lighting for that patio area. I don't remember the exact details.
Yeah, that's fine. Whatever's on the drawing.
Yeah.
The next step after attending the site walks is getting a set of blueprints that has a stamp on it for the inspector to view before processing the next step, which is to get on site and begin layout and establishing the structure of the building. So stay tuned, as we'll be talking more about blueprints and how to read them and what's the process within the structural plans and which documents are important to the intended scope of work. So that's it for this video. If you guys like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys later.